the valid EOI. You can see the details of PIA. EOI number and proposal type are prefilled. Select project type from drop-down. Scheme and state are prefilled. Fill proposed duration in months. Fill proposed training target. Now fill proposed district-wise target. Select district from drop-down. Fill number of target candidates and click on Add. Now you can see list of entry. Now fill proposed location of training centers. Select state from drop-down. Select district from drop-down. Select number of training center from drop-down. Select nature of training from drop-down. Fill proposed target. Select city category from drop-down and click on Add. Now you can see list of entry. Now fill domain details. Select sector from drop-down. Select trade from drop-down. Select standalone NOS from drop-down and click on Add. Now you can see list of entry. Select micro-credentials from drop-down and click on Add. Now you can see list of entry. Fill assessment cost of per candidate. Fill minimum wages in region. Fill assured monthly CTC. Click Save and Continue. Now fill placement details. Fill total placement proposed. Select whether captive placement proposed from drop-down. Fill number of candidate for captive placement. Fill minimum salary offered for captive placement. Select whether overseas placement proposed from drop-down. Fill number of candidate for overseas placement. Fill minimum salary offered for overseas placement. Select for tie-up or letter of intent with potential employers from drop-down. Select LOI from drop-down. Fill proposed placement opportunity and click on Add. Now you can see list of entry. Fill number of candidates proposed for post-placement support. Fill number for within district, state, outside country. Fill number of candidates proposed for welfare support. Fill number for retention support, career progression, foreign placement. Fill bank details. Select bank name from drop-down. Select bank branch state from drop-down. Select bank branch from drop-down. Fill name as per bank account. Fill account number. Click on Update and Continue. Now you can see your technical score and financial score. Click on Update and Continue. Now you can see project budget details. Click on Update and Continue. Now you can see manpower arrangement details. Click on Update and Continue. You can see application from preview and download PDF file. Upload the signed copy of the application form. Tick the box of disclaimer. Click on Submit your application. Now you can see application form in list and you can view from here.